In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video. Whether it's a presentation or a website you're working on here on Canva, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in it. Let's go over to apps here and I'm going to search for Embed or YouTube Embed, whichever one works. And we're going to use this one. If we click these three dots, we can see where it's coming from. This app is created by Canva. I'm going to click on Embed here. And I'm going to choose what it is I want to embed. So you have the option to embed different kinds of link, whether it's a YouTube video, a TED Talk, whatever you want to embed, you can choose your options from here. But I'm going to quickly just paste my link here to make that faster and not choose anything. I'm going to add to design. And you see my video here is embedded. You can actually play the video from here, and when you publish this website you can actually see the video playing. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.